In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can make money with Midjourney. So, Midjourney is a text-to-image bot which allows you to create pretty much infinite different images. And this means that there's a lot of opportunity to make money. So I want to talk to you about a few different ways. So first of all, what I'd recommend doing is I would recommend going onto Google and going onto PromptBase. Now, with PromptBase, this has tons and tons and tons of different prompts. People are buying them and people are selling them. So, option one for you to make money with this is to go onto Midjourney, fiddle around with it, and make some really cool prompts. Then you can create an account on here, and you can sell your prompts here. And some of these prompts do have a lot of sales. So, if I look on this one's called let's go to a different one that's a bit more popular. Top. There we go. If I go to this one, this food one, this had 1.6k purchases for $4.99, which means he has made over nearly 8 grand from just a couple words. So he's made 8 grand from just selling these. It's pretty insane. Now, that's one way you can make money with it. And if you were going to do that, I'd recommend just bashing out hundreds and hundreds of prompts and hoping some of them do well. Now, another way I'd recommend making money with it is going on to find a prompt and go to Midjourney. And now go onto these categories and look at the different things that they're making inside of these categories. So we'll go on the first one here, which is branded, clean and minimal products, like this. So you could take these and you could say to an e-commerce company or something like that, you could say, I will create clean and minimal product mock-ups for your brand. How you would get clients, you could use something like Fiverr or Upwork, and that's one way you can make money. Another way, you can just go through all of these and find different images and figure out who would need these images. So 3D icons, maybe a game will need this, maybe someone that's making a book will need this, maybe someone making an app. Think, why would someone need icons? Why would someone need these kind of icons? Once you've figured who is going to want them, then you can go onto Upwork and Fiverr, places like that, and you can find people and sell them on these. Say, I will make a 3D icon of your whatever for you. Let's have a look at some more examples. You could do this for food. I don't know, maybe you've got a food company online that sells yogurt wants some mock-ups. You could do that. Another cool way I think you could do it is you can do some customized stuff. So you could turn people or their dogs or stuff like that into stylized images. So let's say turn yourself. I'm going to say turn yourself. Okay, here we go. So you could sell a service on Fiverr or Upwork, or you could make a website for this, and you could sell people a package where you turn them into a cyberpunk. They send you a photo of them, and in exchange, you send them back an image of them, what they'd look as cyberpunk. Now, scroll down here. We've got so many cool ideas here. I love looking at these. There's so much potential. So we've got Hollywood film posters. That is amazing. You can go on to Fiverr and Upwork again, and you can say that you will make posters for somebody's film or something like that. Now, obviously, you're not going to get blockbuster films, but someone might be making a short film or someone's YouTube videos. You could use it for thumbnails. Another one here, children's book cover. Boom, there's another idea. You could do children's book illustrations. And now, another one that I've seen which is pretty interesting is coloring books. Color book. You can make these sort of coloring books and you can sell them online, or you can make coloring book jigsaw. You could sell these on Amazon. There are literally tons and tons of ways to make money with Midjourney. I would recommend going onto PromptBase, looking at all the different prompts they have, and then figuring out why someone would want them, who's going to buy them. Go onto Upwork or whatever it is and just create tons and tons and tons of different jobs that you can do. And eventually someone's going to buy one. And once you found the one that someone's going to buy, you can double down on that and make money with it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that you found it useful.